Coinz review. Hey beautiful people, welcome to this review. You ended up on this review video only to see Coinz really works. Is it a scam? And this is not the only reason. You also want to make money online using the coin system. I would like to say to make money online it's not easy because you need to work harder and harder, but I have a better solution. First of all, you can see my current results using ClickBank affiliate marketing results using one simple plug-and-play free traffic system. And if you want to get the same system for lifetime forever, kindly watch this video till the end, because your online search will end successfully here. So our review is different from others. Now one of our partner will share the exact system to you.
So guys, welcome to this review video. I know you are struggling to earn money online. That is why you ended up on this review. So I will share one of the best hungry buyer traffic streams that we used personally to make six-figure income, and we will show you live proof as well. And you can access the same system for lifetime. You can see the system called viraltraffic.co, which only provides hungry buyer traffic for all kinds of affiliate products. I will explain everything deeply now. You can see our first campaign is ClickBank campaign. So you can see our ClickBank results using this system. Just you need to plug and play. It almost takes 30 seconds to create your first campaign. First, choose link or text. Text means you can add your own headline and description. And next, put your ClickBank affiliate link. Choose categories and select country, and always choose top tier. And you can choose clicks. So if you are new, then choose 100 to 500 clicks per day. And just click on checkout and your campaign will start. After that, it will manually review your campaign, and we always approve your campaign within 2 to 3 hours. And later, you can check your campaign status, like how many impressions do you get and how many clicks do you get. So you get better optimized results. Second campaign we put is banner ads. You can see some of the student results using banner ads. I will refresh this page for you, so you get to know that the results are truly legit, not any screenshot like that. You can both promote e-commerce or any affiliate product on banner ads. We will make all campaigns similar because we only want to make things too easy. Only change of banner ads is you need to add product images and write a short, attractive product description. And you choose the category of your desired product. Third one is the Warrior Plus campaign. You can see one of our student results using the Warrior Plus campaign. So he started his first campaign 2 months ago, and he made around $2,000 a day, and he shared the dashboard with us. Warrior Plus campaign is only for making money online, or you can promote software products. And the next campaign is Solo Ads. Solo Ads is an email marketing. You can use our buyer emails to blast your affiliate link. You can see our current results using the Solo Ads method. And again, the next campaign is weight loss campaign, where you can sell any product or affiliate link related to weight loss only. I usually promote ClickBank products here. So in daily basis, we add more leads to our database. So you can get more new buyers every day. And again, the next campaign is Amazon campaign. In this campaign, you need to only promote Amazon products, and only changes need to be done. You can add Amazon product videos to get more exposure or chance to get more clicks. Normally, put your product images as well. So basically, in this software, we add daily hungry buyer leads to the system, and we spend money to collect leads. So you can use the system for one-time price only, and there is no upsell or any hidden charge. So currently, we are giving a discount. So you can grab this viral traffic system in just $55 only. Usually, it costs around $10,000, but we are giving 99% discount for the first 1,000 people. After, the price will go up to $10,000. So grab now for $55 for lifetime access.